Okay, dear students, so let us do this question and learn the very next thing what we want to see now. So the HR diagram shows two stars X and Y. The temperatures are given 40,000 and 10,000 and 2,500. What is the radius of X and radius of Y? So there is a little bit of mathematics that we need to incorporate here. So as it is written, it is from the SL sample papers. So even for the SL students, this becomes important now. So, as I told you, that luminosity is essentially the power, and we would be using the formula for the Stephen Boltzmann constant. So, Stephen Boltzmann law. So, you can write the general formula as this: E sigma A T raised to power 4. This is what we are going to use. Now, these are two stars placed on the HR diagram. We are going to read these things, and the luminosity value is not given to us. I'm just going to take it as L because it is going to be same in both of the cases. That will cancel each other out later. Now this is the general formula given by the Stephen Boltzmann law. We are talking about the astronomical bodies and the stars. So the emissivity of perfectly black body is taken as 1, and so E value will be substituted as 1. So the formula becomes sigma A T raised to power 4. Now what is this A? This A is the surface area of the star, and R is the radius of the star. So we can write it as 4 pi R square. That becomes the radius. Now the question is asking you the ratio of the radius here. So what we are going to do is we are going to substitute this value A, this value 4 pi R square into A. So it will become sigma 4 pi r square t raised to power 4. Now this is the general formula for the luminosity, you can say. So we can now write luminosity for x is sigma 4 pi is constant rx square, and the temperature of x raised to power 4. Similarly, the luminosity of y can be written as this. So although in our books they have created the formula for the radius, and you can check the data booklet if that is given there or not. So that is derived from this only, like this radius, and you take all these values to the other side of on the equation, the left hand side, and you create a relation for the radius and the temperature and the luminosity. Okay, but I don't like using that. I prefer using this method, like Lx and Ly. And now we want to have the radius of x and y, so we just going to divide these two equations. So left hand side is divided by the left hand side, right hand side is divided by the right hand side. That's it. So I am dividing it like this: Lx divided by Ly. I'm going to write each and everything again here. T y raised to power 4. So these things are now deducted. And the luminosity is taken to be same for both of the stars. So this and this can also cancel each other. It will be 1. So this, the denominator can go to the other side by cross multiplication. Or we can keep it like that because we need a radius of x divided by radius of y. So we are having this value. Better to take the temperature on the other side. So it will become Ty raised to power 4 divided by Tx raised to power 4 Rx divided by Ry whole square. This 4 can also be written in the terms of, like, we can club this thing like this. After that, we can take the square root on both sides. Okay, because this is square and this is 4. So I can just get rid of this 2 and 4 here itself. So it becomes 2 here. Now, this is what they are asking in your question. Now we are going to plug in this value. Temperature of the y is 10,000 and temperature of x is 40,000. 10,000 divided by 40,000 is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 square is 16. So this comes out to be 1 by 16. Okay, so there is a problem here now, a bit of typing error. I'm sorry for this. So it should be 16 here, 1 by 16, or it should be 1 by 6 here. So the answer, yes, this will be 1 by 16. So there is a bit of typing error in the on this question, but anyways. So this becomes 1 by 16 and A is the correct answer. This is how we do it. So this is one of the topics that we wanted to do when we were like doing the stars and the astrophysics. So instead of doing the topic exclusively, I have shown you a question how to solve it. So all the mathematics that you need for your questions, that is put in here itself. So everything is already here on the screen, so you people can just note it. And please mention your doubts in the comment section. All the best. Thanks for watching. Bye.